long story short, it's gonna fuck them over. It could potentially, it's gonna put us out of business. So, you know, it sucks, man. It's not good, you know, because we're about to take a hit and we're not gonna have no work. What's going on my Overcomer Nation? It's your boy John. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're staying strong. Hope you're making sure that you're staying protected from this coronavirus. We're out here, man. We're out here on a job site. Thank the Lord, you know, construction is deemed essential. So we are still working. And times like this, you know, it makes you feel blessed for what you got, you know. So I hope all you guys are doing well with this quarantine. You're staying strong. You're doing what you got to do. Sometimes, you know, it's not perfect. You know, you're not going to have a perfect situation. You're going to be sitting at home, you know, and you're going to have to listen to the government, and you're going to have to do the deed. And sometimes not. Sometimes you might get lucky and you might have an essential business so you can keep working, but that doesn't really matter, because I feel your pain, and I know that there's people out there right now that want to be working, that want to be doing their job, that want to be getting stuff done. And so, you know, I took a big hit myself because the hotel industry as a whole right now is actually underwater, because, you know, this whole virus thing is out of control. And they had the worst year that they ever had. I hope you are doing well on this beautiful Saturday, and you guys are staying strong, and you're trying to do, you know, whatever's necessary. So we're still out here, man. I wanted to give you some positive vibes, because I know right now everybody is probably dealing with a lot of bullshit right now. You know, you're not feeling good, you're not feeling too strong about your situation, you know, you're sitting at home, man. You know, you ain't got no work. You know, they're making you stay home. The man is putting you at home, okay? Well, here I am. You know, I'm blessed. Thank the Lord. You know, times have been hard for me even before this coronavirus. You know, I had a few months of just got my ass whooped, and luckily my ass started getting real busy right around this coronavirus. And we're out here today. It's a Saturday. We're working. We've been working every single day. We got Big Jose, you know, doing his pole work. You know what I'm saying? Coronavirus or not, we're getting the job done. Big Jose always doing his thing. Ain't that right, Big Hose? Yeah, we out here, huh? Yeah. Coronavirus or not, they can't hold us back. Nice, dude. Yeah, we got this little scrub pad on here right now that we attached to our pole, and it's scrubbing all this construction material off. Big Hose getting it in right now. And when was the last time you did water fed pole work? It's been a while, huh? How's it feel? Fun again, or did you miss it or no?
It's fun.
You didn't miss the heavy pole though, huh?
No. You get used to it after a while.
Yeah, that's the truth. Anyways, we've been doing a lot of construction lately, and man, I've been off the air for a while because I've been so damn busy, you know. I hit a month in January where things just got fucked up, man, and I had to go save the day. I had a crew that was, they weren't doing their job right, you know. They were fucking, this thing's leaking all over the place. We don't want to waste the DI water, right? But anyways, we had a crew that just, you know, they messed up. They did something wrong, and long story short, the contract got fucked up, and I had to go rescue it. I rescued it to the best of my ability, rebuilt the team, revamped the company, and since January, I've been back out in the field fixing all the little problems and all the little bullshit. So here we are now. I fix everything come January, February, March. I end up fixing everything. I put everything back together, and boom, we get hit with COVID-19 fucking pandemic, which is the end of the world shit, okay? Some pretty fucked up stuff, right? And now we got to deal with COVID-19.